everyone, it's me Sato again from Cosplay, and today we are back with a new video, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made Okabes lab coat from the anime Steins. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And before I'm fully starting to melt, because it's so freaking hot right now, let's start the video, so let's do it. Yeah! So these are the current pattern parts for the lab coat. This is the arm, backside, front side, pocket, pen pocket, inner lining and the collar. For the fabric I'm gonna use this nice white cotton. I start by ironing on some flies line onto the inner lining parts, beginning by the front. This is the inner back part. Here I fold the pocket flap in the middle, which also got some flies line ironed on. Then just sew around close to the edge. On the main front at the place for the pocket, some flies line also gets ironed on. After this is done, the flap and pocket parts itself gets attached. In the next step, cut the pocket open. Then just turn it inside out. Lay it flat and sew around it. Just make sure that you don't sew the pocket shut and then sew the inside together. To stop the pocket from wriggling around, I made a small template which I'm gonna use to hold everything in place. The small pen pocket gets folded twice at the top and then sewn over it. After this is done, iron all the seam allowance to the inside. Then it just needs to be sewn on to the top of the left front side. In the next step I'm gonna sew both back parts together. When it's done, iron the seams flat and add a top stitch all around. Then you have to just put the front and back together at the shoulder. Just fold the seam allowance to the back and add the top stitch. Then we have the sleeve, which gets sewn into the armhole. When this step is also done, fold the arm in half and then we can sew the coat side and the arm together. After this is done, fold the sleeve hem 2 times and then sew over it. And then it's time to repeat everything for the other side too. Now the 2 color pieces get sewn together like shown. Before you turn it inside out, make sure to cut the edges off. And you probably guessed it, a top stitch gets added. We can now attach the collar to the outside of the lab coat. These are the 3 inner lining parts. Just sew them together at the shoulder and add the top stitch as well. Now we're gonna need the end of it. The coat is now facing in this direction and now we have the inner strip. This gets sewn on right there, just like so. And on the other side, do the same thing. Now that we have this, fold this down and also fold it at this line. And now we can sew everything onto the front seam. We can turn then everything inside out and just sew all around so it will stay in place. And the last thing missing are some buttonholes and the buttons. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a video. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or what I can improve on this channel in general. Or maybe you have a cool idea what I can build next. I also have a few plans already, and I'm already started on some others. So videos are coming, so just wait for it. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because every subscriber counts and keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. And maybe we will reach the 1500 at the end of this year. It would be wonderful, to be honest. And also, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and until then, I see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'm out. And I need something refreshing. Maybe ice cream or iced tea.